In this video, I'm just going to tell you how much money you can make with the Murf AI affiliate program. Murf AI is just a really good AI voiceover company. So they pay 20% on your referrals. And so you can make a pretty decent amount of money. It's going to be recurring, which means that if you send someone, like if you get your affiliate link and you get a sign up and someone actually buys something, then for 24 months after they sign up, like for every month that they're subscribed, you're going to get a 20% commission. So if we come over to the pricing section here, we can see all the different plans starting from the free to the basic, the pro, and the enterprise, with the enterprise being the most expensive. But even if we get people to sign up for the pro, let's say you have a company and you want to give 5 people access to the pro plan so they can create high quality voiceovers. So you would get 5 seats here, right? And that would come out to $1,560 billed annually. So if we just pull out a calculator here, let's see how much money we can make. So as you remember, you get paid for up to 2 years of their sign up for every month that they stay subscribed. So 1560 times 2 is how much money you generate for them for 2 years, and then you just get 20% of that, so 0.20, and that's $624. So with just one person using your link, signing up, and just getting people access to it, you can make $600 in just a couple of years, or about over $300 in 1 year, and that's just with one person. So imagine if you have a bunch of people, if you create really good content and you promote this software, all over your social media, you talk about how you can use AI voiceovers to create really high quality videos, how you can use it for YouTube, and how you can use it for running ads and all sorts of other things. And you start getting, a few hundred people signing up every month. And, this can add up to very substantial amounts of money every year. So I hope you found this video useful. And if you want to try Murf AI completely for free, you can do so using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.